In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do competitor analysis in Semrush. We'll start inside Semrush by opening Domain Overview. From the main dashboard, head to the SEO section and select Domain Overview. This is your command center for understanding any website's search visibility at a glance. If you work in multiple markets, make sure you're looking at the correct regional database so the numbers reflect the audience you care about. Next, enter a competitor's domain in the search bar, such as example.com, and hit search. Choose a site that targets the same audience and topics you do. If you're unsure, pick the brand that appears alongside you in search results for your core keywords. Now review the key metrics that load. Authority score gives you a high-level sense of the domain's overall strength and trust signals. Organic traffic is an estimate of visits coming from unpaid search, while organic keywords shows how many terms the site ranks for. Backlinks indicates the volume of links pointing to the site, and paid traffic lets you see whether they're investing in ads. Use these together to gauge strategy. Heavy organic traffic with a strong authority score suggests consistent SEO performance. A notable paid presence hints at aggressive bidding on important terms. Look at the traffic trend graph to understand momentum. A steady climb can signal successful content or link building, while dips may indicate algorithm hits or seasonality. Scan multiple time frames to avoid reacting to short-term noise. Scroll to the top organic keywords section to see what actually drives their visibility. Note the mix of branded and non-branded terms, the search intent behind them, and whether the keywords align with your own goals. This helps you spot opportunities and content gaps. Open organic research to dig deeper. Here you can see keyword rankings, position changes over time, and estimated traffic per keyword. Identify which terms they're gaining or losing and where there's room for you to compete based on difficulty and intent. Go to Keyword Gap to compare your domain against one or more competitors. This highlights keywords they rank for that you don't, along with overlap. Prioritize relevant, high-opportunity terms that fit your expertise and audience needs. Open backlink analytics to assess their referring domains, total backlinks, and anchor text. Quality, topical relevance, and diversity matter more than sheer volume. Look for patterns that reveal effective outreach or content types that earn links. Use domain versus domain to compare multiple sites side by side and understand relative strengths quickly. Finally, click Export to save your reports. Keep these files for planning, sharing, and tracking progress over time. That's it. Thanks for watching.